Limitation breeds creativity, and limitations are the keys to actually developing new skills to solo with. In this video, I'm going to show you how just using the first 3 notes of the scale on each chord can open up so many doors and give you so much more fluency and control when you're soloing on a song. We're going to use Autumn Leaves because it's one of the best educational tools you can use. But what we're going to do is we're just going to make sure we can play the first 3 notes of the scale for each chord. So first chord of Autumn Leaves is C minor. We just need to have C, D, E flat. 1, 2, 3. Then to the F7. 1, 2, 3. F, G, A. So then on the B flat major. B flat, C, D. E flat, F, G. And we'll go through the whole song, making sure we can play 1, 2, 3 on every chord. Let's do it in time. Real simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the second A. Remember, do the whole song. Don't skip repeated parts because they are part of it. Here's the B. Here's the fast part. And back to the top. So making sure we can play it like that is going to make sure we know kind of some of the more important notes of the chord. Instead of getting overwhelmed with like, oh, I need C Dorian. Oh, now it's F Mixolydian. Oh my gosh, now it's B flat major 7. Oh crap, now we're on E flat major 7. Oh, now we're on this A, right? You can get overwhelmed. Just master the first 3 notes. We did an ascending pattern through them. We could also do a descending pattern. Same 3 notes, but instead of going C, D, E flat, let's go E flat, D, C. Just take it downward. Remember, this might seem easy, but your fingers are not as smart as your brain. Your brain is going to see how this could work right away, but your fingers are going to have to take the reps to learn it. So let's go through the form again, and we're going to go 3, 2, 1 on each chord. Care if I start to get bored. Actually, if I start to get bored, that means I really need to work on it, because if you can play it while you're bored, while you're distracted, then you really know it. If you can only play it while you're super focused, you don't actually know it. All right, here's the fast part. So if we can just work on those 2 patterns, playing the first 3 notes of each chord, ascending, and then descending, and make sure you can play through the whole form without any hiccups, without dropping the time, without any mistakes, with confidence and clarity, then you could start to see how you could improvise with that. Not adding any more notes, but just improvising on the rhythm, improvising on creating variations on that. Here's what that might sound like. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and simple. I could keep going, right? I don't need to add notes to keep it interesting. We're at the top of the second chorus. If I can find all sorts of creative ways to improvise with just the first 3 notes of each chord, I'm going to have so much more tools and ammunition and ideas for when I want to actually take a solo where I don't have any restrictions. Problem you might be facing is you're trying to solo with no restrictions every time, and you find yourself getting stuck and getting lost, or maybe just like playing the same thing again and again. Creating this restriction of just making sure you can play a solo with 1, 2, and 3 on each chord will open up doors for new sounds and make sure you actually know those chords. Thanks so much for checking out the video. If you like this, I just started my Patreon. So there's 2 tiers in there. Both tiers give you access to my video course, Piano Jam Mastery, where you can learn how to, I have like 50 plus videos that dive deep into how to master harmony and how I think about piano. And then the other tier is how you could study one-to-one with me and dig in even deeper on your piano playing. Happy practicing.